Affinity Hospice. Today we are going to show you how to do a scene setter or backdrop, whatever event you may have that you're participating in or hosting, whether it be a facility, personal use, whatever the case may be. So with this, I have actually enlisted the help of my two co-workers, and they're going to show us in just a moment. But what we're going to do is you get three, however many colors that you'd like to have. These are plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree, wherever you may choose to get these, but these are the rectangular shaped tablecloths. You unfold them and then you fold them in half, and you can really fold them a multitude of ways. But what we've done is fold them as long as it possibly can be to get the longer effect. So they're all folded, each of the colors that I'm going to use. This blue I'm actually not going to use, I'm going to set it aside just to show you the tablecloth. So again, you have your tablecloths, the plastic vinyl tablecloths from whatever store you choose. And this is what you do. You just simply cut and put whatever color you're doing, just set them all in a pile so then you can choose from them in a moment. So you cut these, and then after you get all of your materials ready, you unfold, you unfold the tablecloth that you have just cut, and it looks something like this. As you can see, it's very imperfect. So this is what we're gonna do. You actually take it from the front and or back, however, it just depends on however you're doing this. If you're doing it alone, we have thumbtacks on either side. So if you're doing this alone, it's really easy to do it if you're pinning it to a wall or whatever backdrop you're actually doing. So you put those through. I'm gonna do this again for you, but you pull this through and you just tighten it up. Similar to those who have ever made a tutu skirt, the same kind of tying technique. So we'll do it again. Get a different color this time. Okay, here we go. So again, just your piece, make a loop, pull the tails inside the loop, and then pull it to whatever length. And so you see, you have this effect where it can be like an actual backdrop. If you were doing pictures for a photo opportunity for your residents and or however you want to look at it, maybe a family or a party, you could actually cut this off and make it more of, and I'm going to actually show you just the differences this makes. So visualize this as the scene or the colors of whatever theme party you have. You can also cut it to give it more of a party garland look, where it's a little more, just depends on, and these are really fun if you layer these, if you have these in different lengths on your wall or backdrop. So anyway, so this is literally $3. The string most everyone has, but the materials to make this, and you can make this as full as you possibly wanted, but $3 to make a huge backdrop with a very large impact. We hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for making every moment matter.